Have you ever pondered how the daily routines in your home could contribute to a cleaner, greener planet? Every single day at home, we engage in countless activities, from eco-friendly cooking to sustainable cleaning practices. From mindful water usage to effective recycling, our routines can indeed make a significant environmental impact. As we delve into the world of green living and sustainable housekeeping, we'll explore how our daily habits can be tweaked to become more environmentally friendly without compromising on efficiency or comfort. We'll discover how small changes, like using biodegradable cleaning products or recycling waste correctly, contribute to environmental sustainability. Today, we journey into the realm of eco-friendly cleaning and sustainability, unearthing practical tips that can metamorphose your home into a green haven. First on our list is the transition to eco-friendly cleaning products. Today, an impressive array of brands in the market are fully dedicated to offering safer alternatives to traditional cleaning products. These green cleaning brands have tailored their products to be non-toxic, biodegradable, and derived from natural plant-based ingredients. This significant shift towards cleaner and safer products is a promising trend in the world of eco-friendly cleaning methods. Such products are instrumental in cutting down the amount of hazardous chemicals that we inadvertently release into our environment each day. They not only aid in preserving our planet, but also ensure we maintain cleaner, safer air within our homes, contributing to indoor air quality and creating a healthy living environment. Secondly, consider making your own cleaning products. Instead of scouring the shelves at the store for the perfect green cleaner, why not just make your own? It's an enjoyable way to spend a quiet afternoon and a significant step towards sustainable housekeeping. You'll be amazed how many items in your kitchen can double as cleaning agents. Everyday staples like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon are not only safe and natural, but surprisingly potent when it comes to tackling dirt and grime. You can create numerous eco-friendly cleaning solutions right at home. One prime example being a blend of white vinegar and water, which serves as an excellent glass cleaner. Next, let's talk about water conservation, a key aspect of environmental sustainability. Water is a fundamental resource for life, yet in our daily activities, we can unknowingly contribute to its waste. A substantial portion of water wastage comes from household chores, particularly cleaning tasks. Both inside and outside, opportunities abound to conserve water. Rather than utilizing a continuously running hose during exterior cleaning, consider using a bucket filled with water. This small change can drastically reduce the amount of water used. Similarly, when performing indoor cleaning chores, instead of letting the tap run endlessly, try filling a sink or basin with water. These simple yet effective methods can substantially contribute to water conservation. Fourth, remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle whenever possible. This mantra is fundamental to sustainable living. Consider the old t-shirts and towels cluttering your wardrobe. They may seem like junk, but everything can be given a second life. Instead of relegating them to the trash, why not turn them into reusable cleaning rags? This doesn't just declutter your space, but it also promotes sustainable living. Next, let's look at those empty green cleaning product bottles. They might seem useless once their contents have been used up. But here's a tip: rinse them out thoroughly. Following this, you can refill them with your homemade eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Finally, consider the power of solar energy for drying your laundry. Why should you choose to power up an electricity-guzzling dryer when nature is ready to lend a hand? It's all about embracing a sustainable lifestyle and making choices that are better for the world around you and your pocket. Traditional dryers consume significant amounts of power, but the sun, an inexhaustible source of energy, is there for us to harness. Using solar energy to dry your clothes is not only a step towards a greener life, but also provides additional benefits. It's a natural way to disinfect your clothes. The sun's ultraviolet rays eliminate bacteria, Plus, the sun can act as a natural bleach, giving your whites a fresh, bright appearance. Not only will this save energy, it can also help to naturally disinfect and bleach your clothes. In a nutshell, adopting an eco-friendly lifestyle at home is no daunting task. It's about altering minor daily habits. Choose green cleaning products, preferably homemade. Keep an eye on water consumption during chores and stick to the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Utilize solar power for drying. These straightforward, quick adaptations can significantly aid sustainable living and planetary care. So, why not kickstart your eco-friendly cleaning journey today? Armed with these green cleaning strategies, you can play your part in fostering a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable globe right from your humble abode.